Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is 5P model in SHRM. See, to explain strategic human resource management, there are various models which are famous, but 5P model uh, give an overview of all the activities which should be done to introduce strategic human resource management and in collaboration with all the corporate level strategies. So as you see in the picture, there are 5 P's which an organization can introduce to inculcate strategic human resource management in their organization. So first we take the core philosophy, which is HR philosophy. It should be inculcated in the overall organizational or corporate policies, corporate strategies to get maximum benefit of strategic human resource management is. So what is HR philosophy? It is expressed in a statement defining business values and cultures. It expresses how to treat and value people in the organization. See, it is an statement of how organization regards its human resource, the role they play in the overall success of business, and how they should treated and managed. I mean, the people, how should they treated and managed. Second, if you move forward, you will find a second core, which is the HR policies. So, what is HR policies? HR policies expressed as shared value and guidelines, policies established guidelines for actions on people related to business issues and HR programs. These, I mean, the HR policies provide a guideline for action for the people, and this is related to the strategies which can affect the corporate strategy in overall. So it includes the training and development program and whatever strategies you could make to provide guideline and actions to the people. If you move on to third core, you will find HR programs. So what is HR programs? It is articulated as human resource strategy. These coordinated efforts are to facilitate change and address major people related to business issues. These are shaped by HR policies and consist of coordinated HR efforts intended to initiate and manage organizational change which can prompt strategic business needs. Now we move towards the outer cores. So one of the second outer core is HR practices. See, for leadership, managerial and operational roles plays very important role to motivate people's and its behavior. So these are the activities carried out in implementing HR policies and programs. They include resourcing, learning, development, performance, reward management, employees relation and administration. So all these activities are the HR practices which we can introduce as strategic human resource management to integrate it with the overall organizational strategy. Now the fifth core is your it is your outer core, and it is the HR processes. So for the formulation and implementation of all other activities defined how activities are carried out. So these are the formal procedures and methods which is used to put HR strategies and plan and policy into effect. So all this can be utilized simultaneously one by one, so that you can get maximum benefit of strategic human resource management when you apply in overall organization to align with the corporate strategy. So these are the so as you see in the picture also, the core idea of strategic management is lies in the philosophy. Then it should reflect into the policies, then it should reflect into the programs, then practices, and then the processes. So uh, if you talk about HR processes, these are guided by HR practices. And if you talk about HR practices, these are guided by the HR programs. If you talk about HR programs, these are guided by the HR policies, and HR policies are guided by the core HR philosophy. So this is all about 5P model in strategic human resource management. Thank you.